How to uninstall apps on Windows 10. How to uninstall programs on Windows 10. You can use this on any Windows version. If your PC is running slow, one of the ways to speed up Windows 10 or any Windows PC and make Windows 10 faster is to uninstall unwanted Windows apps completely. Just by deleting the app logo from your PC or laptop, the app or software got deleted. You must know how to permanently uninstall apps on Windows 10 the right way. Even if you've bought a new PC or laptop and wondering how to remove bloatware from Windows 10 or debloat Windows 10 or any version of Windows, out of many ways to delete apps on Windows 10, I'm showing you 4 easy ways to uninstall apps on Windows 10, including the quickest method. Most of the methods even work to uninstall apps on Windows 11. How to uninstall apps on Windows 10. Method 1. Click on the Start menu, click on Settings here, go to Apps. Alternatively, you can just type remove here and click on add or remove programs. Then you get the apps and features page with a list of all the apps installed on your PC or laptop or desktop. Scroll down and click on the app you want to uninstall. Let's say Windows PC Health Check. Then click on the uninstall button. It may ask for confirmation again. Just click on uninstall. How to uninstall apps on Windows 10. Method 2. Type control panel in the search text box here. Then click on control panel app. Click on the drop down here and click on category. Then click on uninstall a program. You get a list of all the installed apps. You can scroll down and click on the app you want to uninstall. Let's say Google Chrome. You can double click on it and also you can right click and click on uninstall. You get this pop-up. Are you sure you want to uninstall this app? Click on uninstall to remove apps from desktop Windows 10. Now we'll show 2 easiest methods quickly. Do comment later which method did you like. How to uninstall apps on Windows 10. Method 3. Type control panel here. Click on add or remove programs. You get this page with a list of all the installed apps. Scroll down and click on the app you want to uninstall. Let's say 7-zip. Right click on it. Click on uninstall to delete apps on laptop or any Windows device. Finding it useful? Give it a thumbs up. And now, the quickest and the easiest method to uninstall apps on Windows 10. How to uninstall apps on Windows 10. Method 4. Click on the Windows icon here. Find the app you want to uninstall. For example, Microsoft News here. Right click on the app name. Click on uninstall for Windows 10 DEBLOAT. That's how you uninstall programs on Windows 10. DEBLOAT Windows 10. If you found it useful or liked it, give it a big thumbs up, comment and share. For most of the videos, subscribe with bell for free.